paano ba mag-add and subtract ng functions? So first, f plus g of x muna tayo. So yung f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Okay? So yung equivalent lang nito is f of x plus g of x. So parang didistribute lang natin yung x. Okay? So therefore, substitute lang natin yung mga values ng mga functions. So f of x is 5x minus 3 and g of x is x plus 4. Okay? And then, add lang natin yung mga similar terms. 5x plus x, that is 6x. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So plus 1. So therefore, f plus g of x is equal to 6x plus 1.